Hi everybody, Kelsey down here at the Epoxy Resin store, and today we are going to be talking to you about their brand new product. You guys are going to be so excited. It is the new Lightning Cure for coating epoxies on your tumblers. So the Lightning Cure is going to help you in a lot of different ways, but the most important one as a tumbler maker is that anything that can help reduce the time that you have in between coats and in between processes on your tumbler is going to allow your productivity to go way up. When mixing, I'm only having to mix the product for about 60 seconds, maybe 90 seconds, which is a big difference from many other tumbler coatings where you have to mix them for 4 or 5 minutes. So I'm cutting down time on how long I have to prep my product, which is great. So oftentimes when you're working with faster setting epoxies, they are going to yellow on you. That's just one of the trade-offs that you make with that fast set. With this product, because it's a urethane backbone, we are not going to get any yellowing, none whatsoever. So you are able to use this for all coats, and you don't have to worry about just putting it over darker colors. You're not going to be worrying about putting it over the top of your expensive printed vinyls that it could ruin it. It's going to hold up outside in the sun for you. Full cure time, everything was rock solid glass-like with 1 hour, not even the tiniest bit of tap, guys. Often they'll say cured or pettable in 45 minutes to an hour, 2 hours on many other products out there. This was fully cured in 1 hour, no tackiness. I could pick it up and hand it off to a customer at that point. Also, if you're big into drips, especially with the Halloween season among us, I was able to do drips in 15 minutes. 15 minutes to drips, and the drip was fully set after 30, and it did not run all the way down my cup. It was absolutely incredible. No need to wait for the new methods with the puff paint to dry or hot glue getting all over the place. We finally have an epoxy that can do drips in 15 minutes. I highly recommend using this epoxy. So far it is replacing so many other products that I have in my arsenal with one product. I cannot wait to see what else this can be used for. And again, this is Kelsey with Kelsey's Corner. I'm so grateful to be down here at the Epoxy Resin store and telling you all about the Lightning Cure for your tumblers.